Ms. Berman, let me ask you a few questions. How did you hear about Aero Renovation?
I went to the Overland Park home show beginning of November and picked up your brochure and talked to you a little bit and scheduled a in-home visit.
Okay, and I believe Nathan was your salesperson?
Yes, Nathan came over, and one of the things I really liked about Nathan was he did drawings of what we were going to need originally for the bathroom. Whereas I also had some other people and they were not as detailed and didn't necessarily draw and write down what I wanted.
Okay. And we did do your bathroom and windows and kitchen. And we've done
And
quite
one
a
of
bit,
the
so.
other things I really liked is the fact that Arrow would do everything. I had 3 projects. I had new storm doors and windows.
Yes, I forgot about the doors.
I
Thank you.
had my upstairs master bathroom redone. I had it replumbed to bring up my washer and dryer, a new sink, and I had to get a new shower because the shower had not been used in quite a while. And I also had the kitchen remodeled because I needed new countertops, and as it turned out, there was some mold and I needed new counters. But I liked that they would do everything and that I dealt with one person, which was Rich. I didn't have to deal with 2 or 3 different companies and juggle.
Okay, and the installers did a very good job.
Nice, very polite. I came home and all the mess was cleaned up. I could tell what they had done that day, but no big piles of anything.
So everything went great. You got the kitchen you wanted, the bathroom, the windows and doors. Everything
Yes.
went off without a hitch.
Correct.
Okay.
I like that I could get French doors for the instead of sliding glass doors, and that they had blinds in them, so I don't have to get separate window treatments.
That's right. Okay. Would you use Aero Renovation for your future home remodels?
Yes, I would, and I hope somewhere down the road I can afford to do a little more. I think the other bathroom needs some more.
Okay,
but,
well there you have it. For more photos, please go online and look. It's just too much to show in one video. Thank you again, Ms. Berman.